Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a CATLESS downpipe on your 340i or any car that has a b58 Gen 1 motor in it. So I'm going to have to pull out the Porsche Turbo here that's on the hoist, drop it down, take it out of the garage. I'll pull the 340 in, we'll pop the hood, and we'll start this video by removing the airbox. So I'm going to go do that right now. Alright, so you're going to take your flathead, you're going to undo the mass airflow sensor. Tuck it away over there. You're going to take off this hose clamp. And then we can just rip our airbox off. Boom. Alright, so now that we got our airbox out, we're going to take out these two O2 sensors, 1 and 2 down there. That's using a 22mm wrench. Alright, now that we have our two O2 sensors out, we're going to take off those bracket bolts, and they are both 13mm. You can use a 13mm socket with a little ratchet, works best.
I feel bad. Some of my kids go watch this video thinking this shit's easy. Mom's dead, dead, get on there! Okay, this guy's got enough time left.
Now that we have those two 13mm nuts off, we can now take off our V-band clamp, which is also a 13mm, and you can just use a shorty socket and a ratchet.
I'm recording, that kind of blows.
Now that we have our V-band clamp off, we can raise the vehicle and take off our exhaust. That is down there. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so we're underneath the 340 now. We're going to take off these two bolts at the bottom of our downpipe, 1 and 2. It's going to drop like that. And now we're going to move to the back of our exhaust. Right guys, we're at the back of our exhaust, right by our tips here. There is a 13mm bolt there holding on our hanger. And we're going to take both of those off, and that allows us to drop our whole entire exhaust and slide it back, and then we can take out our downpipe. So let's go ahead and do that.
Boy. Jesus. You got a nail in your sidewall?
Alright, now that we have those two bolts undone, you can literally just smack your exhaust and it will come out. Just like that, we have room to get our downpipe out. And just like that, you can get your downpipe out. Now you can put your CATLESS downpipe in.
Allen bolt on the hanger just to keep it in place. Now we'll lower the car and go back up top and do our V-band clamp up. Alright guys, once you have your V-band clamp done up nice and tight, you can put your O2 sensors back in and tighten those back up. And that's it. Alright guys, we have our 2 brackets done up. We walk to the front of the car. We have this bolt done up. We have our actual clamp done up. Our CTS catless downpipe is in. Those hanger bolts are in. We have our O2s in and our V-band are in. We have officially installed the catless downpipe on the 340.